Hello, hello, hi guys. Hello everyone. Welcome to my channel, to my dance lesson, Rumba. 5 basic Rumba steps. Basic movement in place, basic movement or basic step, progressive walk forward and backward. New York to your right side and New York to your left side, and of course, spot turn to right and to left. Are you ready? Let's go!
10, kiss me on the lips.
Basic movement in place. First option, transfer your weight onto your right, left, right, left. Hips are going side to side. Press, press. Stretch your muscles. Stretch. Okay. And in a count, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 1. 2, 3, 4 and 1. And if you look this way, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4 and 1. 2, 3, 4 and 1. 2, 3, 4. Basic movement in place, second option. So, side, close, close, side, close, close, side, step, step, side, right, left, side, left, right, step, right, left, step, left, and right. This way, side, onto your left, onto your right. Step to your left, transfer your weight. Side, left, right, side, right, left. Basic movement or basic step. So we'll start, I'll show you rock step, rock step. Make sure you keep your toes in contact with the floor. Onto your right, onto your left. Nice and slow, transfer your weight. Good, press and press. And we go rock, step, side, forward, back, side, back, replace, side, forward, replace, side. This way, back, forward, side, forward, back, side. And 2, 3, 4 and 1. 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 Progressive walk. Step, 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 and back, 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 back. Let's try one more time. So all your weight on your left leg. We're starting with your right. And step, step, foot slide. Keep your toes in contact with the floor. And back, back, back. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4 and 1. 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 And 2, 3, 4 and 1. 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 New York to your right side and to your left. So rock step, back, replace, side, check, back, side, check, back, side, and 2, 3, 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4. Rock step, and we're going side, check, back, side, check, replace, side. 2, 3, 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4 and 1. And this way again. 2, 3, 4 and 1, 2, 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4 and 1. Our last step, foot turn to right side, to left, and back, replace, side, step, pivot, transfer weight, side, and step, pivot, and side. Let's try again. Rock, step, side, step, turn, and side, step, turn, and side. And 2, 3, 4 and 1, 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 2, 3, 4. Let's try this way. And back, replace, side, step, pivot, and side. Step, pivot, and side. 2, 3, 4 and 1, 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 2, 3. So basic movement in place. 2, 3, 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4 and 1. Second option. 2, 3, 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4 and 1, 2, 3. Basic step. 2, 3, 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4 and 1. Again, 2, 3, 4 and 1. Progressive walk forward. 2, 3, 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4 and 1. Backward. 2, 3, 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4 and 1. New York. 2, 3, 4 and 1, 2, 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4 and 1. Spot turn. Back. Replace. 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4 and 1. Well done.